So Unit 30, Digital Graphics, Assignment 1, Task 3, it's the M1 task. Now, for this task, you've got to compare the limitations of two pieces of software, graphics software, and two hardware devices used for graphics development as well. So already, you should have talked about Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, said what their benefits are and their limitations are, which you can now use for this particular task. And then you've also got to do some hardware. So for example, I've got a digital camera, which is an input device. I've also got a graphics tablet, which is an input device. So you'd be expected to talk about the limitations of both of these and then try to compare them in some way. Now, the thing is, I would actually suggest you write about the benefits of these as well, because that in turn then will actually help you to write a little bit about the limitations. Right, now the thing is, both of these are input devices. I would suggest if you are going to review something other than a digital camera and a graphics tablet, so for example, if you decide to do a monitor, which is a output device, then compare the limitations of a monitor with another output device which is used for digital graphics production. So for example, maybe a printer or a plotter. The reason I say that is because if you're comparing something which is completely different, like an apple, and like a shoe, it's going to get pretty hard to talk about the limitations and comparing those. So I'm not going to take a bite out of this because you've already taken a bite out of this, haven't you?